So Canterbury started Containers for Change because it's part of our sustainability project, and we're looking to reduce the amount of waste that we're producing as a school and increase the amount that we're recycling. And a great place to start is with something like Containers for Change, where we can recycle things that we're using every single day and actually get some money back for it.
So basically you get any bottle with the 10-cent logo on the back and then take that to the Containers for Change team drop-off area and then collect your cash from that.
So we see the Containers for Change is about building our little house community. We're heading towards a community project. So our community captain is working with Cranmer House, and we're doing a bush regeneration project up in the Canterbury area, up in the back in the bushland there, trying to return some of that to its original condition, or as close to that as we can. So we'll be using the money from that Containers for Change towards buying plants, buying equipment for the project, and I guess using it as a way of bringing the community together to do a community project.
So Containers for Change works by you guys bringing in your plastic bottles, your poppers and your aluminium cans and putting them into your Containers for Change bin. Those Containers for Change bins get emptied, and then the house gets back the amount of money that we raise from that bin.
So we've been promoting it a lot in our house. We use obviously house assemblies, that sort of thing. We've run a form competition, so each form class competing, and we had prizes for the form that brought in the most containers. So in 1 week I think we brought in 500 or 600 containers for a week, just out of that competition. And obviously just on a day-to-day basis I see kids and we pick them up and I just promote it as we go and seeing containers around, and it's just word of mouth.
Basically you bring in any bottle with the little 10-cent logo on the back of it. In school you put it in one of the colourfully painted decorated bins you found around in your house area, and then those eventually get taken down to the other bins down in the sports hall. They get taken away by the groundskeepers to the local Containers for Change team drop-off area, and then you get money from that to go towards your house.
Okay, so these bins, they collect money that goes towards house funding. The house funding obviously funds house events, and the house events benefit you.
Well, you as a student, you basically get funds for house events from the money that you raise from the Containers for Change scheme.
So Canterbury, we want to see you guys get involved. Every single time you buy a water bottle, or every single time you get a popper or a can of soft drink, don't just throw it in one of those normal bins, put it in the Containers for Change bin. More money for your house, more money for the school, more money for the projects you want to do. Everyone wins.